Have you drawn a cartoon on nails before?
No. I love it. I will learn. Oh, you know what? Character, yeah. I'll take it back. I did the class for the portrait, and I did Minnie Mouse. Yes. I don't know. Is that considered as a cartoon?
Yeah.
More like, how does it look after?
Larvis asked, so is C&D the main brand you have from your salon? Will we ever see gel colors from Glitz?
Oh, yeah. Thank you for asking. Sneak peek. We have...
said brushes are coming soon.
Yes. So, so brush is coming soon. I have about 600 different color of gel polish and almost 700 colors of color acrylics powder, dipping powder, liquid and powder at the salon I'm currently working with. Gel polish, I using a CND, I using OPI, I using gel polish, I using DND, I using Olay, and what other brands? Kira Sky, and I using CND Luxe, Select Luxe, and then I using CND Select, CND Creative Place, OPI. Yep. So I have variety of different brand. Okay, so it's set already. In the meantime, I'm just talking to you, and that is the calming colors. I don't want to spill it. I opened the calmings. And Feeling Blue is come back to the stock as well. I'm using next one. It's going to be Passionate. It's already pretty by itself. Look at that.
You don't want to go into it to make purple?
No. Okay. Why? Should we make it purple?
No, you know what? Do what you like.
Daniela asked, do you use Born Pretty?
I don't have any Born Pretty, be honest, with the gel polish. I would love to try some. The polish are good because a lot of people will mention it as well. But I don't have that at the salon. But I would definitely gonna try that out. I'm gonna keep a little bit blues and Passionate. I love this one. It's so vibrant. Maybe I should do it more on that. Let's see how it.
Just look on it and see what you get. Should be fun. Is it gonna bleed? I bet. Maybe I should learn fishing at some point too. Should be fun.
I like that.
Okay.
So I'm gonna show you this. You can draw the flowers from this, and I have completely the nails covered with my fusion ink, and
Super Cute Bling Nail said, do a fusion marble, purple, and blue.
Yes. Purple.
purple. It turned out purple.
It's coming up in purple.
Larva said, looks like the cup from the gas station right now.
It is. So I can use it using my 3D brush in Kolonskis, and I'm gonna draw some of the roses flowers in it. I'm gonna have my dappen dish. And get some of this. Is some for all of you. I did this before a while ago, and I can't like definitely having fun and do it again. Just a little bit of crystal clears on this tapping dish here. You don't need a whole lot, but I'm just doing it here right on the side. Just a little bit. Hopefully it's going to dry out. Some furs on that flowers. And make sure you wipe it off. I'm gonna give it a little bit more crystal clear. Just on that tapping dish. But each time you dip it in, you don't need a whole lot. You don't want to bleeding it you don't want to bleeding your flowers.
So what are we doing? Drawing?
We're doing like a rose drawing.
I see you.
I did this before. I don't know if any of you remember, but I would do it again.
See how it turned out.
So with this, if you want to draw the petals for the rose, make sure you just get enough of your crystal clears. You don't want to bleeding all of your fusionings away. So I'm going to dab it in here in the piece of paper right there. So then that way it won't contaminate my crystal clear. And you can continue to draw the petals. And it's going to give you a really good. You can do it whole nails if you would like. Get my I'm gonna get some more crystal clear here. I think it's just running on the edges. I couldn't see it, so I'm gonna get a little bit more. Like the same techniques that I drawing the roses with the gel painting, you can apply exact the same and continue to draw the petal. It's really cool and it's simple to achieve.
You know what? The rose coming out.
I can see that because
Favorite Flower said, "You make it look so easy, Nancy."
it's easy, I promise. I promise it's not that difficult. Okay, so again, it's just like how you don't want to get the brush like that wet. Can you see it's how a lot of crystal clears, this is too much. If I tap it in here, it might bleeding whole entire nails. So you want to make sure it's just damn wet enough. You don't want to be too wet. because it's too wet, it's gonna bleed all our fuchsia inks away. Just enough. I promise if you're doing it exactly what I'm showing you, it's gonna be turn out exactly what I'm doing.
You know what? That flower turned out fun now. Look really interesting.
And you can do with so many colors. You can do it with the you can do with Delights, which is yellow. You can do with green. You can do with Welcome Hugs. You can do with Burning Heart. Oh, Burning Heart is cool. Burning Hearts or the other dark colors look stunning and cool too.
Super cute bling nail said, it looks like frosting from cake.
Isn't that cool? I love it. You know, it looks like unicorn colors. So I'm gonna wipe it off, so then that way when I dip it back into clear, crystal clears, is not gonna bleeding my always make it contaminating my crystal clear, so I can draw this. I swear if you ladies are doing it, it's gonna turn out even better than what I'm doing. Just using just a little bit, because if you're using too much, it's gonna just bleeding your flowers like all petals, like it bleeding them all together, and it doesn't create the looks that you want. Then you can just doing it like and with this technique you can draw so many. You can use twin tip brush and then draw daisy, you know, or something like that. Or you can do it the rose with the like Burning Heart or Bogdals, like you doing the darker colors for the roses, for anything you were thinking of.
Turn out fun.
You see that how as I get a little bit off? You don't want to get too much, and it take away from the look of it. You continue if you want more, like petals for your rose. You can continue to work a little bit more on it. I think I'm good.
Yep, it's cake icing.
Is it cake
Super
icing?
cute bling nail said, lick the nail.
Lick. Okay, you should see me. I'm licking it now. All right, so if you like it like this, you can totally it's done. But if you want something is fun, we can do something is fun with this.
You can leave it alone.
Should I leave it alone, or should I do frame it with the chamfer foil?
Too much.
Too much?
No, I like crystals on it. I don't want
Okay, so I'm gonna do